Hey yo, what's good everybody? Fly Lopez here with another fly video, guys. I just finished doing my quick 500 push-ups, and now guys I'm gonna take this protein, I'm gonna try it out. Whey Iso Burst from GNC, guys. 40 gram protein. Nice. Let's try it out. 1 gram carbs, 1% 1 gram fat. Okay guys, and the flavor is French vanilla cream. I'm guessing this one is good. Who doesn't like French vanilla? So, I got the water ready. Need a thumbnail, but not yet. Okay, hold up guys. Doing my room. Guys, subscribe. You already know. I had an amazing day at work today, guys. And the best part is, I worked out. And now I'm doing this video with you guys. I love you guys, man. I want to drop it in my bed. Okay. I'm just gonna put 1.5 because I'm about to eat. Look at this, guys. GNC, baby, sponsor your boy. Sponsor your boy. My sister's, by the way. I never tried it yet. Yeah. Yeah. Ready? Other hand. Don't just work out one hand. Work out the other hand. Okay, guys. You guys already know I need a thumbnail. Hold on. Look. Yo, move, guy. There we go. Kick your butt. Is that better? Is that better lighting? Yeah, buddy. Okay, guys. Let's go. Perfect. Let's try it out. Woo! French vanilla cream, baby. Wow, GNC, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I can definitely taste the French vanilla cream in this, guys. It tastes so good. It's not just a regular plain vanilla, you know? Yeah, look at the gains. It's from doing the push-ups, guys. You want arms like this? Do minimum 500 push-ups 6 times a week, guys. Yeah. GNC. I give it a 2 thumbs up, guys. Tastes really good. It doesn't taste too sweet. Man, I love this. Man, I love this. I love it so much. I love it so much, guys. Yeah. 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 Okay, I gotta go eat. I'm gonna edit this video quick for you guys. Let's get that on the grind, baby. YouTube grind. Day 6 out of 30, boy. Let's go. Subscribe, hit that like button. Thank you so much, YouTube. Let's go. Just remember one thing, though. I'll be back, though. Yeah, stay fly.